every time you record a video, wipe your camera lens off. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually going to be about content creation again, because y'all got so many questions and I do appreciate that. So I'm not tripping. I love that y'all asking these questions, but this one's going to be a little bit focused on hidden secrets that I kind of found during this journey of content creation. So let's just jump right into it. If you love content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, make sure you like this video and leave a comment down below. So jumping right in, the first question that I got: if you do another video, can you talk about your rates or how you tell brands what you want to get paid? But I do want to start off by saying you are not going to get paid right away for every single video that you create. If you do, you're lucky and congratulations, because it's hard getting people to pay you for these videos. But I'm at the point now where I know that I have quality content that receives engagement, that I do need to start charging every person that asks me for something. Free products is not going to work it anymore. But if you're a beginner like I just was, you definitely want to be okay with the fact that you're going to be getting gifted collaborations immediately in the beginning. But that gives you something to make content with. Of course, we already talked about that. And then also you get free stuff. So be okay with getting those gifted collaborations when you first get started. And that's cool. You know what I'm saying? But then once you see like, okay, I'm getting the engagement, I'm getting you the sales, I'm getting you the orders, then okay, look, y'all gotta start running me my coin. You get to that point, you got the engagement, you got the followers, you got, you know, the brands coming to your email, or you're reaching out because you're going to get my brand pitch down below. You can reach out to brands yourself. All right. Now, let's say you got a brand that's saying, okay, hi, Alexis, how are you today? We want to know your rate for one TikTok video or one Instagram reel. We want to know, like, what do we have to pay you in order for you to make a video for us? You're going to do something that I found on TikTok. Just scrolling on up my little page, and I found this site called Social Blue Book. This is in no way sponsored. So you definitely just getting free game from me right now. Social Blue Book has helped me kind of figure out what kind of rates I could be throwing out there, because I'm not really sure. I don't really have nobody that I can ask like, hey, do you know what you should be charging for these amount of followers and things like that. So for me being a newbie and I'm still just not that confident in my content just yet, I go ahead and use that as my standard price. So when you go in there, you'll be able to like integrate your Instagram. You'll have to pay if you want to add like multiple accounts. But all you got to do is just, you know, add your Instagram in, see what your rates are, disable it, go back and add your TikTok in and see what your rates are like that, so you don't have to end up paying for it. But I just go on there and then they tell me exactly what my rate is based on my amount of followers, my engagement, and all of that good stuff. So it's going to give you a literal ballpark figure of what you should be charging these brands. So start off with that. If that helps you and you don't have to get like a social media manager and things like that, that will be great. So just see if it works for you, and just kind of use that number as your reference. It's going to flip depending on your engagement, so make sure you're checking back to make sure that you're getting the right amount. It could go up, it could go down. So make sure you just keep checking it to know what you should be charging these brands. Other thing that I noticed when I was just editing on CapCut, another free game, another gem, and I'm gonna try to insert something to show you what I mean, but I'm just gonna tell you, if you pay for CapCut Pro, that's what I edit with, CapCut Pro. Let's say you're doing a talking video like this, right? And of course, if I'm looking down at my phone for notes, or if I'm just like, oh, my phone rung and I got these parts in here where it's blank space, or ums and ors and, you know, the little words that you need to cut out, there's literally a button that you can click that allows you to, it literally picks up on the videos. I guess it's AI, and it picks up on blank spaces and filler words. Genius, right? That is something that I was like, oh, a lot of people might not know about this, and I want to put them hip. So yes, that is amazing, a game changer. Cut your editing time in half, especially when you got those 30-minute videos and stuff like that. Pay attention, of course, it's still technology. You want to make sure that they're not cutting out something that you needed in your video. So don't just press the button and think you're done editing. That's not how that works. You still got to go in and you want to watch and make sure that everything is lined up how it's supposed to be. You may have to add something back in that maybe was cut off, but baby, it's a little, it's for the most part, it's on point. Just another little tidbit that I wanted to add into here is a lot of people are afraid to get started because maybe they lack the confidence, but they really want to start. I think that you have to, no matter what, be okay with just pushing yourself to do it. I think that is so much that can come from it. Like I said, whether it's paid collaborations or gifted collaborations, the exposure can really bring you some things that you don't even know you could do. If you're struggling, I just wanted to give you a last little bit of free game. Baby, just go ahead and start. I know you're not in shape right now. You want to go to the gym. Somebody's going to like you when you're fat. Somebody's going to like you when you're small. Somebody's going to like you whether you got a nice apartment to show or you got your regular girl apartment. Like, you know, you don't have to have these luxury things to be a content creator. You just need to literally be authentically you. That's my last takeaway from this. Be authentically you. If you really want to, you don't have to wait to be perfect to start. Your hair not done, oh well, girl, slick it up in a ponytail and go ahead and start the content. All you need is your cell phone. Wipe your camera lens off. Every time you record a video, wipe your camera lens off. You already know I told y'all that in another video. But yes, go on and get started. I hope that you enjoyed this short video. I will see you all in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you check out my brand pitch. I will be showcasing that down below in the description box, where you can see exactly what I say to brands to get those brand deals myself. And then also I do have an ebook on how I got started, just the minimal beginner friendly tips to get started with content. If that's something you would like, everything will be linked down below in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video.